TubeSiphon review, demo, and $3,375 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my TubeSiphon review. I'm going to do a full demo for you guys and I do have a huge bonus as always, but first of all, let me explain to you exactly what TubeSiphon does and how you can make money with it, because this is a brilliant idea, especially if you're just starting out online and you want to use the power of video marketing, but you don't want to actually create the videos, okay? So what TubeSiphon does, it creates sites that you can fill with YouTube videos in any category, and then you can instantly add banner ads, you can add affiliate links to it, you can do pop-up ads, you can do a bunch of different things to actually monetize these videos, okay? So actually this can be done in any niche, and obviously all you have to do is just select the niche, add the URLs of the YouTube videos to your site, and then just add your affiliate links and you're good to go, okay? So let me share my screen right now and let's jump into this TubeSiphon review. And even before I'm going to show the sales page, I just wanted to show you the power behind it, because you can do this in any niche, okay? So for example, you can do a site based on affiliate marketing. So, I just typed in affiliate marketing tutorials, and you can have free tutorials for people, and obviously then just add your affiliate links all over the website, and I'm going to show exactly how it works and how it looks like, okay? So just take a look at this, how many free affiliate marketing tutorials are on YouTube, and you can use all of these videos. If you would want to create these yourself, obviously you'd spend weeks of work, and you can just grab any of these videos, add them to your TubeSiphon site and instantly monetize them, okay? Another idea, dog training, fundamentals, as you can see, another great niche, and all the videos are already done for you. You don't have to film anything, optimize, upload, none of it. You can just use other people's videos. And for all these people that want to do workouts but they can't go to the gym because of coronavirus, you can go after fitness lessons at home. Another great idea. So as you can see, look at these videos, how many different videos you have right here, and you can obviously monetize this with any ClickBank product. So right now, let's check out the sales page, and as you can see, it says TubeSiphon, we generate $1,000 daily by turning other people's content into our personal source of leads, sales, and commissions. And by the way, I didn't mention that you can actually build a list off of this, because everything is included, okay? Sales pages, you can integrate your autoresponder and everything else. Make multiple hands-free income streams without your own products, a list, or any experience. So as you can see, this is the sales page. We got some testimonials, some proof right here, as you can see. So Glynn, the guy behind this product, has some massive proof. As you can see, we can build lists of thousands of people off of it. Glynn Kosky, that's the guy behind this product. You probably know him, amazing marketer. Some more proof right here, and TubeSiphon, that's the name of this new product. Let me just scroll down, some more testimonials. He's telling you exactly what's included. I'm going to show you all of that in a second. 30 days money back guarantee, and the pro version, as you can see, is $17.97, but this is the early bird price, so obviously we're going to talk about pricing in a second. That's essentially it. I don't want to bore you with the sales page. You can go through it in your own time, and right now let me show you the members area. This is how it looks like, okay? So I will have a full demo showing you exactly how to create campaigns and everything else, but right now I just wanted to show you the insight and what you can expect after picking TubeSiphon up, okay? So as you can see right here, we have the dashboard, we have the welcome video, then we go to my profile. So simple stuff, you can just add your name, etc. Then we have the training. Actually, I'm going to show you the training in a second, but right now I'm going to show you the campaign builder, okay? So essentially what you have to do is just pick an niche, start adding these products, and as you can see, we have the campaign title, but then we have the squeeze page URL and the website URL, okay? So for the squeeze page, obviously you'll be able to create amazing looking squeeze pages. This is if you want to build a list, and obviously you want to have a list because having a list is free traffic whenever you want it. Okay, so that's just one component. And then we have the website URL. Okay, so let me show you the website, and let me just show you how it looks like, and then all the bells and whistles in a second. Okay, so obviously all of this is editable, so you can edit the name, you can edit this top banner, you can add as many videos as you want. You have these buttons right here for affiliate products, but the cool thing is that, as you can see, we have the about right here. This will bring up another video and another button. And then when we go to shop, you can add products. Okay, so as you can see, we have TubeSiphon for $17, but you can add as many as you want, and this is accessible at any point. So if someone is scrolling through your website, they will see this at all times. So you have all these buttons, etc. But actually, let me close this and let me show you how it looks like. Let me go back here. Let me show you how this looks like when you open it. Okay, so I'm opening a fresh page. As you can see right here on the bottom left corner, we have a little recommendation that popped up, and we also have exit pop-ups. Okay, so you can have exit pop-ups with like recommendations of products that you want to show to people, or you want people to buy, etc. Okay, so if you're going to click on about right here, as you can see, we can just click on the get now button, and this will take us to the TubeSiphon sales page in this case, but obviously you can add whatever you want. So again, you can monetize other people's videos instantly, and it is not just adding a link to a video, you are creating a full website where you're going to have full lists of videos. So this will be a website that you're essentially going to become an expert in any niche. So if you want to do affiliate marketing tutorials or dog training tutorials, you're going to have all the videos and people will go to your website versus YouTube, because you are curating this content for them. Okay, so this is how a site looks like, and let's go through the rest of the options right here. So as you can see, we have YouTube search tool, so you can search for YouTube videos from within the software, so you don't have to actually go to YouTube. You can just type in whatever keyword you want, and you have collections right here, and then you can search collections. So we have a few created right now. So we have affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA, cats, dogs, sales funnels, online marketing, review videos, etc. Okay, so obviously you can do these little collections of different niches and different videos. That's all done for you. Then we have categories, so obviously you can categorize all of these videos as you want. You can add a category, you can delete it, you can do whatever you want with it. Then we have products, so you can actually sell products with this website. So as you can see, we have the TubeSiphon added, but all you have to do is add a product, and then you can add them to the banners, you can add them to any buttons you're gonna have on the website, etc. And then we have the autoresponders. So again, you can build a list of it, all the squeeze pages, all the templates are included. So at this point, if you want to, you can just hook up GetResponse or MailChimp on ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, HubSpot, or Constant Contact, and you can even get just a CSV file and then upload it to your autoresponder if you want to. Okay, so the rest of the options right here are for OTOs, are for upsells, so we're going to talk about that in a second. But right now, let me show you the video training, because obviously you're going to get video training a part of the software on both how to use the software, on how to create your website, and also how to make money with it. Okay, so as you can see, we have the welcome video, how to enable search, create content collection. Then we have build out the shop, complete your campaigns, connect your autoresponder, design and create ads in 30 seconds. And we also have the bonus builder app walkthrough if you will get this upgrade. Okay, so super simple, straightforward. You can create this website with all the videos on them in a matter of minutes, and then start making money as an affiliate marketer. Okay, so that's essentially it. That's what you're getting. And right now, let's check out the pricing and all of the upsells. So as you can see, TubeSiphon will be $17.97, but this is the early bird price for the first 6 hours of the launch. Then the price will be going up to $19.97, and then day 2 is $21.97, and I believe the end price is $27. Okay, so you're getting a $10 off if you will show up early, and early is on the 22nd of March at 9 a.m. Eastern until 3 p.m. Eastern. Okay. Now let me just tell you what are the prices of the OTOs, and then we will jump into each one. So the unlimited version will be $67. That's OTO number 1. OTO number 2 is a done for you pack, $97. OTO number 3, we got $97. Auto traffic. OTO number 4, conversion boosting tools, $67. OTO number 5, bonus page builder, $67, and license rights to TubeSiphon for $197, and that's OTO number 6. And right here on my blog, as always, I have a full written review, and this will include the funnel. So TubeSiphon OTO number 1, the unlimited version. So the main version will allow you to create one site in one niche, and if you want unlimited sites and unlimited niches, that's the unlimited OTO. And you can also create unlimited landing pages. You're gonna get more landing pages, templates, graphics, and a banner ad creator. Okay, so just more options, unlimited sites and landing pages. And if you want to take massive action in a number of niches, not just in one niche, that's OTO number 1. OTO number 2 done for you, that's free additional done for you sites. Okay, so if you want everything done for you, all the done for you marketing material, obviously this has been tested and proven to work, that's the done for you pack, OTO number 2. OTO number 3, automated traffic flow. So here you are getting a powerful traffic generator, and in this upgrade you're going to get plenty of high quality traffic to your offers pages and affiliate landing pages. So obviously you won't have to run any Facebook ad campaigns or email or Google traffic. This traffic is delivered to you. Okay, that's OTO number 3, automated traffic flow. OTO number 4, we got TubeSiphon conversion boosting tools, and this will be additional conversion boosting tools like hello bars, pop-up banners, and a bunch of additional funnels. Okay, so that's $67. OTO number 4. OTO number 5, bonus page builder. So you can obviously build squeeze pages and regular pages, but if you also want to build bonus pages for affiliate marketing, that's additional $67. OTO number 5. And lastly, we have license rights, $197, and this allows you to sell TubeSiphon as your own product, and you keep 100% of the profits on the whole funnel. So not just the main product, but all 7 products, and this will be $197. So guys, this is the funnel, and right now let me show you all of my bonuses, because if you will decide to pick up TubeSiphon, you have to pick it up from my link, because I'm going to give you $3,375 bonus, definitely the biggest bonus available to TubeSiphon out there. Okay, so first of all, let me mention that again, TubeSiphon goes live at 9 AM Eastern on March 22nd. If you want to pick it up from my link, all you have to do is click on one of these blue links right here on my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, click the first link in the description, and the second link in the description will take you to my blog. And first of all, I'm going to give you free custom-made bonuses. So these are full custom-made bonuses made by myself, and I'm giving you a full PLR license to it. Okay, so this means you can sell it as your own, you can rebrand it, you can edit it, you can do whatever you want. Okay, so free custom-made bonuses with PLR. I'm also going to give you additional software. So software number 1 is Affiliate Warrior, software number 2 Affiliate Promo Machine, software number 3 Extreme Affiliate Page. Okay, so 3 additional software. Then a reseller's license to 3 of my own products. Okay, so as you saw, TubeSiphon resellers is $197. You're getting resellers to 3 of my products: Instabit, Traffic Trapper, and Traffic Extractor. Then you're getting Affiliate Traffic Lab, another piece of software, 5 done for you affiliate marketing campaigns. So you know, this is something that actually sells as an OTO sometimes to my courses. You're getting it for free. You're gonna get additional W's of the Day awarded courses, so $500 CPA every day, $200 cash hack, $300 CPA every day, the CPA coffee shop method, 2000 traffic jacker, instant traffic jacker, the commission magnet, the commission toolbox, $100 CPA daily, pure profit payday, WP video, viral click, the WP affiliate advantage, image plus, link building expert, and 100 e-course publishing tips, together with speedy content publishing tips, and SlideShare tips videos. Now, I'm not done because you're getting 9 additional plugins and software: Affiliate Advantage plugin, Gen plugin, Biz, Sales Page Writing software, Squeeze Page Creator, True Tags, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar, and Shortcode Call to Action. Now, on top of all this, you're getting my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses. And my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and that's why this is a total of $3,375. You're getting all of this for free, again, just as a thank you for picking up TubeSiphon through my link. Again, check out my full written review right here on my blog. I have it ready for you as always, and this will include this sum up. So just to sum up this TubeSiphon review, you can create multiple passive income streams, and this is all built all in one. You can leverage other people's content and videos, obviously. Ultra fast done for your system, set and forget technology. So obviously if you set it up once, then it just works for you on autopilot. You can bank commissions as soon as today. You can scale up your business with this. You can turn your passion into profits. Obviously, you can do this in any niche. So again, I showed you dog training and fitness, any niche, no matter how small or how big. And you don't have to be blogging, using social media, hashtagging, TikToking, and nothing else that is all of that sort. Okay, so what I don't like about TubeSiphon, there's not much not to like, but first of all, you do have to use other people's videos, which is a plus, but obviously if you want to create your own brand and make $1 million down the road, you're going to be using other people's videos, so your face is not on it. So it can be a blessing because you don't have to create the videos, but in terms of branding, this is something negative, and you are not creating the skills by doing video marketing yourself. Okay, so again, you're saving time, you're going directly to the profits, but long term I would advise you to actually start recording videos and do some videos yourself as well. So that's the only things that I could think when it comes to TubeSiphon being negative. It's an amazing product. It got 5 stars from me. So again, if you want to pick it up, do it through my link to get all of the bonuses. I think it will really help a ton of people, especially because you will see results fast with this. The barrier for anyone that is new to making money online is the time. Okay, so if something will make you money, but it's not today or tomorrow, but a month from now or 2 months from now, you will probably not stick with it. Okay, and if you will see results with this fast, it will just prove to you that this works and that you can make money, and you will just make more of the same. Okay, so guys, this is my TubeSiphon review. I hope you enjoyed it, but before you go, let me show you how to claim my bonus after you'll pick up TubeSiphon from my link. All you have to do is go to your Warrior Plus purchase history. So click on your icon right here in the top right corner, go to the purchase history, click on TubeSiphon, and below the link that says to access your purchase, you should see another link, another button saying bonuses from Art. That's how you claim my bonus. You don't have to send me emails or receipts. This is all done automatically. And again, TubeSiphon will be going live on March 22nd at 9 AM Eastern. Again, you have all the bonuses from me. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Please like this video and please subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one. And I'll be seeing you shortly in the next review video. Ciao!